Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu with zari lines, and we have a very contrast black blouse piece with one side pink borders. Very light and beautiful pink shade, something between magenta and the normal pink, and we have all over printed design in the saree. Fully it is printed using the Rangoli design pattern, and we have zari borders also in the pink shade. The saree is in cream with prints in pink. Elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue color pallu with mango design printed using pink, and we also have zari borders. And the pink is the blouse piece here with one side the blue borders, plain pink blouse piece. The saree here is in beautiful pink again, kind of magenta pink shade with all over printed. The top portion is having a beautiful temple design border in both sides, bigger temple using the royal blue, and the lower half we have a different prints in the body. All are printing only the difference, otherwise the saree is in same color with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon pallu with the base of the block prints in yellow color, and we also have zari lines, and we have a green and yellow mixed color, very beautiful color blouse piece with maroon borders one side. The complete saree is in the same green and yellow mixed shade, a lime color we can call, with a beautiful design, 3 different design block prints in a single saree. The top portion is vertically printed, center part is horizontally printed, and the lower half we have the floral design. When it comes to the lower half, only the lower part design is given along with the horizontal design. This one is left in the lower part with these borders in the maroon shade color. Very different saree, beautifully printed with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu. The complete saree color, the pallu color is in a very different light green shade. Excellent different shade it is, a sea turquoise and sea blue mixed shade color, and we have the prints in the choco brown color. We also have zari lines in the pallu, the same colors, the blouse piece color also here, plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. The complete saree is having the same color concept with the top completely a printed one. Choco brown color is closely printed here with both horizontal and lines pattern. It is a like very beautiful design, trendy one. And the lower half is completely printed with the floral and a different design, which is also done as using the choco brown and blue. Beautiful saree, very different block print here, which done exclusive pattern with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue and pink color, a vertically splitted border pallu, and we have zari lines on it. Blue portion, the zari lines are done with a contrast color, pink color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with one side royal blue shade borders. The saree is having beautiful half saree model. The top half we have fully printed portion on cream base, royal blue used for the printing. And you can see the diagonal way it is printed, and the portion increases like, and a grey portion starts in the here, and once it goes to the lower part of the saree, it's almost a half and half pattern. Beautiful partly saree with a beautiful design. The borders of the saree are in the pink base color itself. It comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue pallu with pink base for the block prints, cream used for the block printing, and we have contrast pink blouse piece. The royal blue color is given for the one side blouse piece border. The complete saree is in the royal blue shade here with the printing in the opposite base color of pink. Mango design and beautiful floral design is given in the bottom. Elegant saree, the combination is very different and beautiful with authentic silk work. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a royal blue and pink in the pallu with zari lines. The same royal blue color blouse piece with one side pink borders. The saree here is in beautiful pink shade in the top, a light pastel pink, a mild onion peel shade color with the lower half having the prints all over. It's a very different beautiful hexagon shaped design printed along with the florals, and we have royal blue borders for the zari border base. Different combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful multicolored pallu. We have rusty orange, pink as well as green in the pallu along with the block prints and zari lines. And a very contrast green. It's a beautiful olive green shade color blouse piece with one side the rusty orange color borders. The complete saree is having the green border for the base of the zari border, and here we have a beautiful colors in the saree. The mid part of the saree is something in a reddish rusty orange color. On the top and the bottom we have pink prints, and the between portion we have the cream portion that is having a green and yellow prints. Beautiful saree, multiple printing, and the colors of the saree is really beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a brown and black shade color pallu with beautiful block prints, and we also have zari lines which is beautiful and golden color. Same deep brown color blouse piece with one side blue borders. The saree is having a very different combination, blue and brown. You can see the middle part of the saree is completely in beautiful royal blue, and top and bottom we have zigzag pattern as well as the brown color. We also have the zari borders in the brown base. Beautiful saree, elegant and with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep purple shade color pallu, a very elegant color for the pallu, contrast one with zari lines, and the same color for the blouse piece, pallu color blouse piece, contrast one for the body with zari borders in both sides. The pallu blouse piece also has zari borders, and here we have an excellent design, very beautiful, very different and trendy design it is, all over a painting kind design, batik done in a very beautiful way, multiple colors used for it, and we have deep black used for the floral printing on the saree. We also have the purple color for the zari borders here, beautiful one, very colorful and different one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful deer pattern printed in the cream base using black here, black pallu it is with black blouse piece. Complete saree is in black and white concept, cream and black actually. Base of the saree is cream with the zigzag pattern lines horizontally printed, kind of VV design, and we have the lower pattern which is having deer as well as a beautiful designs printed. Zari borders enrich the look of the saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders with a beautiful boiled acid washed Tussar fabric. It is soft and lightweight one with a beautiful maroon pallu, and we have the same maroon given for the blouse piece. The pallu have zari lines and blouse piece is plain. The saree here is very contrast cream color with the prints in blue. The borders are also in the greyish blue color. Prints are very different. You can see vertically a curvy lines pattern done with very elegant dots pattern as well. Beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have an orange, rustic orange color pallu with black base for the prints, multiple colored prints it is with grey color blouse piece. On one side we have the border which is in orange. The complete saree is having orange borders and grey body, beautiful plain body with only the lower half having prints, and when it goes to the leg portion it is almost half and half printed. Very elegant saree, beautiful prints in contrast colors, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful green and blue in the pallu, beautiful combination with green blouse piece with one side borders which is in base of the blue. The complete saree is in beautiful cream base with prints in both blue and green. Green is prominent, and we have borders in both blue and green. Zari borders is given in the end, that is in the blue border. Excellent saree, beautiful combination with the silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful brown shade pallu with block prints and zari lines. And we have brown blouse piece, same color with golden zari borders in both sides of the blouse piece. The saree here is in half white, cream color, very elegant one with diagonal printings, a floral and temple border printed along the diagonals, and we have the beautiful border which is also in the brown base. The complete printing is also in brown. Elegant and beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful cream and black color saree. Pallu is very beautiful with zari lines and pyramid pattern printed. And we have very contrast black blouse piece with temple borders. Zari borders also there all over the saree, including the blouse piece. Very beautiful cream body with pyramids pattern printed. Triangles is the main concept of this saree. Done all the printing using black color. Very contrast and very beautiful one. Half white collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon pallu with block prints and zari lines in the pallu with same maroon blouse piece. One side temple borders and yellow border in the blouse piece. The saree is beautiful yellow with both sides black temple border, and both sides we have the zari border base also in maroon shade, very elegant, and the lower half we have the maroon big borders. Very beautiful saree. The combination of the saree is very pretty with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have indigo blue and pink in the pallu, a dual color pallu with very elegant zari lines vertically, and we have pink blouse piece which is very contrast to the body. The body is complete cream color, half white with the prints zigzag pattern horizontally stripes pattern done all over the body. Blue as well as the pink is alternatively used along the saree. And we have Ganga Jamuna pattern border also. Lower border is blue and the upper border is pink. Excellent saree, very different collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue color pallu. It's a bright and beautiful royal blue with zari lines. Same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with both sides zari borders. And the saree here is in cream. All the collections now are in half white combination and half white base color saree with printed design. Diagonally it is being printed. The block prints are done. So 3 color, light turquoise green, bright royal blue, and also rust color given. The borders are also royal blue here. Bright and beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green and pink in the pallu with block prints and zari lines. Same deep pink color. Beautiful blouse piece with one side green borders. The complete saree is having pink borders base for the zari borders here, and the saree is cream base with blue prints in the middle. It's a navy blue color used for full printing, and the borders of the saree is printed using light green color. Elegant, beautiful saree in half white base and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue and green in the pallu, dual color pallu with a green blouse piece with blue borders. A complete saree here is contrast to the blouse piece here. The cream base color for the saree, almost a half white color with very elegant prints. Green is prominent along with the blue used for the design, the creepers design, and we also have green borders in both sides along with the zari border in the blue base. Very elegant green and blue combination saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep choco brown, almost a burgundy shade pallu with block prints also in the color, same color with zari lines also. Same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. The saree here is almost in the natural silk color, mild sandal mixed half white with all over the printing done using the contrast pallu color. Even the borders of the saree, zari base is also in the same color. Excellent combination, very classy, beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Beautiful white combination saree with a dual color pallu, a contrast pallu, maroon and green in the pallu with a maroon color blouse piece. It's a beautiful half saree model saree. The top half is a maple leaf design printed one. Maroon and green used for printing, the cream base color with the borders also in maroon, and we have very elegant fully printed design in green base for the lower half. It's almost a half saree model. Beautiful printing with zari borders, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a mustard yellow and green in the pallu with zari lines. Same mustard yellow blouse piece with one side green borders. Saree completely is in cream base, sandy mixed half white color with mustard used for the printing, a very beautiful peacock's pattern along with florals, and we have the borders which is in the light green shade. Very different and beautiful design with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a pink pallu with very elegant zari lines, vertical zari lines, and same pink blouse piece, both sides zari borders. The saree here is in cream. It's complete half white collection with the printing all over done using pink and green floral pattern. Vertically, both colors are alternatively used all over. And the borders of the saree is also in pink base. Very elegant, beautiful and classy saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu, same saree color pallu with block prints and zari lines and running color blouse piece. Complete saree is in pink base with prints all over. Prints are done using deep grey color and cream color. Very closely printed, beautiful design with zari borders. The saree is very pretty. Beautiful collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar. And here we have an apple green brighter shade saree with prints all over in maroon color. You can see the Egyptian printing done in the pallu, the pyramid face design, and we have the same color plain blouse piece, golden zari borders all over the saree along with the blouse piece, and we also have a thin border that is also in maroon base color here. Beautiful printing. You can see the pyramids, the ancient concept printed, and the saree have beautiful prints all over, a floral and stripes kind pattern all over printing, and the lower half we have the tribal kind printing done. Different saree, very different concept with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, dark magenta pink color, magenta pink with mild black mix, and we have black block prints used in the pallu with zari lines, and we have a very contrast yellow blouse piece, goldish yellow color. The saree here is in very deep magenta and black mixed color, almost a purplish violet it is, with beautiful design. Black and yellow is also given in the lower half, which is given for the blouse piece also. Very beautiful and contrast color nature saree with authentic silk mark.